because they don't have, what's the one I normally use? Sud Sud. That's my favorite. Okay, let's go. So I truly need a new body wash. My mom has this St. Ives, I think it's cocoa butter, shea butter, and another thing. I'm gonna get that one. Got my groceries, cleaning products really. So I'm heading back home. I'm home now. That was traumatic because when I was coming from the supermarket, everybody called to me. I'm never like that. I never let me feel like I was being invaded. But anyway, now this is the bag. I only went for cleaning products, so I don't really ever have more than one bag. I have paper towel. Also picked up tissue, Downy, because I'm washing. So today is like a reset day for me. So I have to wash everything and also deep clean the place so we can start fresh for the new year. Right there. So I feel like overall with starting a new year or starting anything new, one of the first steps you want to take is to detox, to cleanse, to clean and cleanse. Same difference. Basically to start fresh, you know what I mean? It's almost like your mind too. If you're starting a business, you want to kind of make sure that your mind is clear. Going into a relationship, make sure so your mind is clear and you're in that frame of mind to accommodate what new is to come. So that's the same thing we're gonna do for a home. When your house clean and feel, you know, you have a little boost in productivity, a little motivation, everything around you just feel like you have space for, I guess, new things, new journey, new feelings, new emotions, everything. When it comes to your space, you want to make sure that, you know, you start there. So that anyway, fabuloso, because you know, smell up the place nice and so. I think this is like a disinfectant, so a dishwashing liquid. Whisper because we're on a local budget, and that's fine. A Dove bar soap. I really wanted the thing, the one shea, I think it's like shea butter or cocoa butter or something like that. It smells really good, or the vanilla, but they didn't have that, so I had to stick with the pink, which is like a nice little floral scent. If you're a girly girl, you're gonna like this. I like it too, but right now I'm in my vanilla, you know, little taste good era. Yeah. Also got this. I've never like really bought these before, but this for the one time. Once I start new, so I try something new. See? I got these two. Last is some bleach. I need to add some of this in there. It's leaking. It's a leak. And I also got a broom because in the span of 6 or 7 months, I broke 2 brooms. And tell me why, when I can think, like if thinking back as a child, I always broke the broom them. So I think I'm a professional broom broker. Anyways, I'm going to throw some bleach in the machine and warm up some food, and then I'll get back chatting with you guys. Just been hanging out clothes and stuff. So color clothes that I just did, them finished now. So basically what I do is make the water drain, and I'm gonna hang those up. But next is the black load, which is the last load for today, and I have this black pillowcase that's on. I'm gonna change them out. I'll show you guys my room because I know you guys don't know how that looks. I'm gonna show you guys. It's pretty small, so don't expect too much. But these are the pillows, and this is the case that I had on them. So I'm gonna let these wash with the black clothes and give them a rest because my mommy gave me some new ones. So Sheet wise, I want to put the white sheet that you guys saw me just hanging on the bed, and that's gonna take some time. So yeah, just a small amount. So guys, I had to hurry up and go take out my sheet because rain come down. I finished washing though. That's a good thing. I don't hang out everything because I'm short. Like for some reason, my short a clothespin. Even though I bought some the other day, it seems like me need 2 more pack. And me not start clean yet. It is, let me tell you, 4 o'clock. 4. We can't read this at time. Oh, this looks so. Who said this at time? Hold on there. 4:26 now. So I'm gonna show you guys how my room is. Be prepared. It's a studio. It's really small. The emphasis on the really. Again, really small. So it's more long. That's the bathroom. Remember, so we are clean, so it's very messy. Yeah, so basically, I'm just have the room to clean and rearrange. So I'm gonna kind of basically switch the bed head from here to over here, which is a go hard because it never easy to set up like when I was moving. I hope you guys really don't mind change in quality or lighting. I need to move in my bathroom because it's ridiculous. As you guys could see as well, outside the kitchen slash my workspace area is quite in need of some love. And the bathroom as well. Okay, so this shelf looks a mess. It needs to be cleaned. Now I normally have skincare and toothbrush and whatever on this shelf. This shelf I normally have like any medicine that I may have, and I have a makeup bag here, or a makeup brush bag. Really, this is not supposed to be here, and this is not supposed to be here. This is supposed to be in the bathroom, but I just put it here for now. Hair products, hair tools keep up here. Over on this side, I like to keep cleaning products up there, toiletries down there. Of course.
Previously on Ready to Die.
Good morning, y'all. Hope y'all are doing well. I just finished my 20 minute, let me not lie, 20-minute jump rope. I feel so good. Let me show you guys a full. This is how she's looking. I recommend skipping to anybody who does not know where to start with working out. A lot of people say they can't skip or they have problems with their boobs. I do as well, but it has reduced, like, because I lost weight from my boobs as well, which is what I noticed. But if you don't know where to start with your workout, buy a skipping rope. Skip 10 minutes a day until you can reach. Tip first, when I was first skipping, I was trying to do 1,000 steps a day. And honestly, some days I only did 500, and it made a difference. So I would recommend skipping because it's a full body workout. You're working your core. If you're engaging your core, you're working your core. You're working your legs, you're toning your legs, you're working upper body, hands. As you can see, my whole body is on the heat. It was such a good session, to be honest. Even though I dreaded every minute of it, like I was complaining, but I had to remind myself that complaining won't get it done faster. Although better you complain and do it rather than complain about the issue and don't work on the issue. You get me? So get up, pick up a skipping rope, and jump. Complain while you jump. At least you jump. Yeah, feels so good. Like Woke up, made my bed already, all of that. So I have to shower, and I have a lot of content to film today, as well as a lot of marketing stuff for Wings Beauty Lounge. Yeah, if you guys don't know, I'll link her up here. You can come get your lashes done. So yeah, that's just a few stuff. I have a collaboration with Shapelex. I also have an unboxing to do for Wings. It's a lot of little stuff that I have to do today. I don't want to call them little stuff, but it's a lot of stuff that I have to do. I need to do today. Need to go on the road to get some money too, because I have been meaning to pay for my laptop. I need to do that, so I need to go to the ATM.
So I just realized that I didn't show you guys the finished product, but this is the kitchen / workspace. Yes, I do work from home. This is my bedroom. It's all, I rearranged the bed and cleaned the closet and everything. And then this is the bathroom. Basically cleaned the bathroom and also rearranged. So yeah, now I'm just gonna make some breakfast because, you know, I was hungry. So enjoy this ASMR.
Alright. I'm gonna be soaking off my nails because I don't know, I almost did see it. Don't cute at all. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nails to soak off. I have the equipment right here. It looks like vinegar. It does look like vinegar. Balsamic vinegar. So my nails are all off. So right now I'm just kind of gonna file them down a little bit.